Morning, afternoon people, welcome back to the channel. So 3 weeks ago I did a split, 2-frame split from this hive into this nuke box. Waited 7 days, introduced a queen, came back 7 days later, did a hive inspection. I could not see the queen in there, however I did see open brood larvae. So there's a queen in there. So I'll do a quick inspection now, and what I'm hoping to see now in here is cat brood, and hopefully also find the queen. So I get a bee suit on, let's get it open and see how they're doing. So hot day today, 27 degrees, yesterday was 30. Quick cursory look on the back of the lid, no queen, lovely. Anyway, that's fondant. They've taken all the feed, given 3 litres of feed, they've taken it all. They've still got the fondant on there, which I gave them as a precautionary measure. I'll stick that back on after the inspection. I'm doing it at a slight angle here because the sun is over here, so I'm trying to avoid shadows. That's why the camera's at a slight angle to the colony. So I'll pop this frame out first. End frame is just packed with stores. Definitely no queen on there. And then we shall just work our way in. Now initially I put a plastic frame in it, they weren't doing very well drawing it. I thought I'd putting them back. So I popped another frame and foundation in a week ago, and you can see they're getting on well with drawing that. They've even started to fill some of it. This is quite a heavy frame. I can see bee bread in there, stores on both sides. So it looks to be a frame of stores. As you can see if you watch the previous videos, the population has picked up a little bit. So it's that brood, 2 frames of brood we put initially have emerged. Okay, full frame of cat brood, full frame of capped worker brood. So the queen is laying nicely. Both sides, fully capped frame. So let's have a good look through now and see if we can spot that queen. Now the queen I put in there was a Carpathian queen, marked in green. So she shouldn't be too difficult to find, you'd think. However, last inspection couldn't find her for love nor money. She's definitely in there. Again, another frame of brood, capped worker brood. So the queen has been busy, and that is both sides. Again, I do not see the queen. Last frame, this frame is empty. Oh no, this frame is packed with larvae. Absolutely packed with larvae. If the camera focused on that, you can see packed with larvae. So by the time we come back next time, this frame will be packed with cat brood as well, in about a week's time. Again though, I don't see the queen. I don't understand how come I can't find the queen in this colony. A marked queen in a fairly small colony, and I can't find her. I'm going to go back through the frames again, see if we can spot her. If I do spot her, I'll bring you back. So this colony is the colony of the elusive queen. So we know there's a queen in there, she's laying really well, and we know she's marked in green, however I can't find her. Second inspection where I've been through every frame twice, can't find her, but she's definitely in there. So I don't know, maybe she likes to hang about on the bottom, or hang out up against the wall at the back or something, I don't know. But I'm not going to pull every frame out to leave an empty box, just look in there and find the queen. We know there's a queen in there, we know she's laying good. Okay, so yeah, the elusive queen, can't find her. I'm going to top up the feed, put the lid back on, inspect this other hive. So if you enjoyed that video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see the video where I made this split, I'll put it up here. Thanks for watching, have a good day.